Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be potting up the beautiful lithops that I received from Next Gardner. Super excited to have these in my collection. I've never had these many different ones ever because I don't really find different varieties at Home Depot or Lowe's. It's always the most common ones, so very excited to have these. And if you guys saw my video before my unboxing, I shared with you guys a what discount? I don't know if it's 15% off, so you guys can use that if you would like. I will put the code down below. Yeah, so I want to try to put these here. I feel like they do better when they're grouped. And yeah, normally the ones that I've gotten from Home Depot or Lowe's, they're usually really fat, and with me they end up whatever new growth, you know, the new babies that pop up, because whatever comes out of the middle, it's, you know, new baby, it's always tiny. So it comes out smaller because I don't, you know, overwater them or anything like that. So I don't know, we'll see how these go. I actually added turfus to the soil just because lithops need really good drainage, you know, so wanted to make sure they had a good amount of drainage. And I'm using this cute little camper. So let's see. I haven't decided, like, do I wanna like take them out one by one and do it? I'm not sure. So, or leave them in the clumps. Like, I haven't decided if I want to disturb the roots. I don't know. Let's see. I feel like once I do that, it'll be hard to clump up, you know, together. Let's see if I can, okay, I could take that off. Let me see if I can get some tweezers. Hold on. Okay. If I leave them like this, I don't know if they will all fit then. We'll see. Let's see if I can take this out. I don't want to hurt anything, so I'm trying to be very... Okay. I don't know if it's ready. Are you ready? There it goes. The other ones are definitely not ready. They all look so different. Let me see how I'm going to do this. I don't want to hurt anything. I don't know if this wants to come off too, because it's like, okay, whatever. We'll just take it off. Some people peel them way before, you know, the time, but there you go. Okay. Let's see how that's gonna go. I feel like these look more like butts and these look more like brains. Okay, I am actually scared of hurting it when I pull these out. I'm scared because it's like not dry. I don't know. Okay, I actually don't want to pull it any, like, this would be the last time I pull because I don't feel confident in doing it. So that's the last one I do. Look at how cute those are. Maybe I have too much soil, you know? I think I'm gonna take some out. I think I have an idea. I think I'd rather, right? Because lithops have very shallow roots. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place this like this, and the rest, when I fill it in, I'm gonna fill it in with turfus, and we'll see how that works. Let's see if the lithops will be happy that way. I think that's what I'm gonna do. They're so funky looking, huh? This one is dry. Like, it is dry. So I can do that one. See, it's like breaking off easily. Nothing is straining. There we go. There you go. I think I'd rather wait until it's just like this, and it's much easier to snap it off. Goodness gracious. Come here. I can't grab it. Oh, there you go. And the other one I'm going to leave. There you go. I don't like how that one is sinking in this one. Okay. I want them to be nice and tight in there. These are so cute too. I think this one and this one are my favorite. I don't know why. They look so cute. This one definitely has dry leaves. Look at that. So they say, right? I'm not an expert in lithops, but they say that when they're shedding this outer layer, not to water. Once that's gone, then you can water. And some people wait until it's a little wrinkled, you know? So yeah, you just gotta take your, I think I'm gonna wait on, this one's probably gonna go here. I don't think I could fit all these here. Let's see. To shrink up a little bit. There you go. Look at that. Let's try this one. Maybe I should have done the same thing with that other one. Squeeze it a little bit. Ooh. Get that extra soil off. This one's got... This is actually like a baby. Like another tiny, tiny lithop. And I don't know if it's going to make it. How do you peel that off? Look at it. I'm just going to leave it there and see what happens. Oh no, I don't want it to separate. These tweezers are not good. I don't really grab onto anything. Here we go. Oh goodness, this one, that it has dry roots, that little baby one. This one does not want to let go. There you go. Okay, let's keep these together. That one does not want to come off. That one came off. Okay, let's see. Sometimes your hands are better. Okay. Let's squeeze these together. Oh no. I don't want them falling. Now it's hard. See, I want them to stay together, but I don't know if that's going to happen with that one. Maybe this one can help a little bit. Okay. Charlie, you're back out. What happened? I don't know how to fix this. We'll see. Just trying to sniff it. Okay, let's see if I can fit this in here. Oh no, 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 no. I do not like that. Okay, let's see. Okay, we push that in there like that. Okay, I think that's good. I'll have to clean it up and then show you guys what it looks like, but I gotta make this stay the way I want it to stay, so I'll have to put some turfus in there. Yeah, it's turfus. Okay, let's see. You guys go. All done. Hopefully they'll do great in here. Remember, with these, you don't want to water too much. Just a little bit of water. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment and like, and have a blessed day. Bye, guys.